Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make diaper cake for baby shower. I'm going to use this basket plant hanger as a measuring area or as a base for the diapers. You can use a pan from the kitchen as well. I'm putting the diapers in a circle way, leaving 1 inch gap between each one of them. But if you don't like this method, you can just roll the diapers one by one and put them in a circle way. I will fill as much diapers as we need to make it a very tight roll. That's what we need for the first layer. Please stay with us if you would like to learn more of how to make a 3-story diaper cake. I will show it to you one by one, story by story, and the designs as well. Please stay with me. Here you can see that the center is empty, so I'm going to roll some more diapers around each other and hold them tightly and press them into the gap because I want this layer to be very tight. I will leave a little gap between these as well, so I will just make a gap with my hands. Here comes my son to help me. So in the gap, I'm going to use a paper towel roll in the middle because this roll is going to hold all the layers tightly together. Using an elastic band, I'm going to hold the diapers together and then I will go and start the second story. For the second story, I'm going to use the same method as I used for the first one. Just this time, I'm not going to make it too tight because this is going to be smaller than the first one. And I'm not going to fill in the middle so much. So you can see me one by one. I will put diapers in the circle way as I did for the first one. And I will then tightly tie them together and make it smaller than the first story. You can just use another size of measurement area or a base for it. Like you can use one a bigger pan for the first story and a smaller pan for the second. And then for the third one, you just have to roll the diapers around each other, so you don't need another pan. But this method, it was very easy for me. I didn't have to go for lots of things. But because the first elastic was a little bit loose, so I'm using the second elastic, which is like smaller and tighter to hold the diapers together. So now we will make the third story. I will roll few diapers around each other and hold them tightly together with the help of elastic band, leaving a small room in the center for the paper towel roll in the middle. So here is a picture of a baby shower diaper stroller that my sister made it for my baby shower. You can make a cake, bike, stroller, whatever you want. If you would like to see a video of a diaper stroller, please leave a comment below and I will make it for you. This is a very beautiful wired white ribbon that I'm going to use. You can find it in many other designs and colors as well in Walmart, Dollar Tree, Michael's, John, or any other stores you can find them. At the end, I'm going to use this cartoon printed ribbon for the third story. I cut a cardboard box in a round shape to attach it to the paper towel roll in the middle to hold all the pieces together. You can just do it at the beginning, or you can do it at the end. For the balloon part, you can just use a very small size of balloons, or you can use a medium size and blow halfway, and then put a knot in the middle and use them as a smaller balloon. I hope you like this project. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. Please comment below if you would like to see more of these kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching.